aresto at ano pong mensahe nyo sa vote buyers at saka nagbenta ng boto nila?
Well, ganito yan. If they are caught, they should be prosecuted to the full length of the law. Now, the practice of buying votes has been an integral part of an election in the Philippines. Yang pagboto, lahat yan. Walang hindi nagbibili ng boto dito, maniwala ka. Walang hindi nagbibili ng boto. Sino, ituro mo kung sino ang hindi nagbili ng boto.
Kandidato?
Rhetorical question. Thank you.
You know, when you start to give money, sabi ko nga sa Comelec, it's not because I'm buying the vote of the fellow. It's because I'm giving him money to go to the presinto, cast his vote, and go home. Hindi naman lahat ng tao may pera. Or you send food to your leaders who are here sacrificing and waiting for the food to eat so that they can last until the last vote is counted. Hindi naman lahat yung papadano na basta lang may makita ka nakain dyan, ibinibigyan. For you all know, leader ko yan. Alang-alang naman patayin ko sa gutom. Kaya mahirap yung vote buying. It can take many forms of... basta mahirap talaga yan. Hindi yan ba? For as long as the Philippines remains to be a poor country, for as long as the feudal system exists, lalo sa rural areas, aggravated by the communists, yun. We are becoming poorer and poorer. Nobody can till the land, improve the land, and the communists are there asking for money, asking for food and everything. And they think that they are on the right track. Yan ang, dyan ako humiwalay. I mean, from the ideology which I wanted and the ideology that was implemented. Mag-start ka lang ng negosyo dyan sa countryside, kaning. Sana, mura na. Sunugin yung mga equipment, sunugin. And then you attack the government for breaking the law, for